Hi everyone, welcome to Everybody Linux. Today I'm going to continue the tutorial related to the creation and configuration of the subdomain with Linode and WordPress and with Linux, of course, with Linux server where I am logged now via SSH to my Linode server account. So this is a Ubuntu server, and I recap yesterday what we did. We create a French subdomain for my website, very easy tutorial. And today I'm going to Linux to configure this subdomain. So let's do it now. So as I said, we have now this in Linode, so in the cloud system. And now I'm going to my single virtual machine. I'm going to perform some operation. So guys, this is my root. I'm using my super user, and we have to enter into the web server root, and then this is the web server root where I have all my website. So now I need to create here the one of those two subdomains. Let's start with this ES Spanish version today. So I'm going to create a directory that will contain my new subdomain for my Spanish version. So this is the command. So it's quite straightforward. This is the my mkdir command with the sudo, of course, permission. I'm going to create into this root directory. This is the complete path. I put it just to make it more clear and tidy. The new version, the new subdomain. So I'm going to do it. He asked me the password, of course. And let's see if it's been created. Yes, I have it here. Okay, the first step is done. Now I'm going to give the permission to the current user to access to this directory. So let's do it now. Okay, this is the complete command to give to the current user the permission to access to this directory. Okay, so and yeah, so basically I'm going to do it. Yes, and now I'm going to give the final command to give the complete permission for the creation of the management of the directories into the correct permission to for Apache to manage this directory. So this is the 755. We're going to give to this directory this command. So 7 is full permission, so it will be able to access to manage the permission. So we have all now completed our tasks. We have created a directory and we gave the correct permission. So now the second step, guys, we have to create the configuration file in Apache for this new version of my website. This is basically a distinct website. You see that is inside the root of the web server. We have basically there are 3 different websites. So this, and this. This one is already set up. I don't touch it. This is my main website, and this is the new one we are going to create. So I'm going to do it now. So now the next step is to create a configuration file for inside the sites available directory. Okay, I just do a little bit of recap. So guys, Apache is my web server. I don't have Nginx or other web server. I use Apache in Ubuntu. So we're going to inside and show you which script I'm going to do now to create. So the directory we need to consider is sites available. So I'm going inside this directory. Sites available basically contains is the directory that allows my web server to manage all my websites. So these are the websites that I have currently configured. So of course IT, the version Italian version, and the main website, and then also have the SSL, the HTTP version of my website with SSL. So now I'm going to create a new file, configuration file for the Spanish website, managing HTTP 8 port 80. Then we will also create the HTTPS for this website, and I'm going to put the script here. Sorry, and yes. So the script didn't copy correctly, so now I'm going to do this. Okay, so this is the complete script to create a configuration file to let Apache manage my website and recognize my basic URL on the in the internet. So I'm going now to put this script, and I'm going now to show you inside the configuration file on my new website. One moment. Copy. Okay, so this is, you see, port 80, so HTTP. I'm going to create it. I'm going to tell to Apache that we have this new website, and he will manage. He can connect to this website. So we're gonna let Apache to work with this website. Okay, this is the most important line. Server name, yes.paoloberger.com. So this is the server name. Then also have the document root. Okay, so it's public.underscore HTML, and we have the script, arrow script. So basically, with this virtual host script, Apache will recognize my new website, and I am going to save it. Okay, the everything is done. Let's clear a bit to make it more tidy. Let's see what we have inside here now. Yes, we have it. So fantastic. So the next step will be to enable this website. So this will create a symbolic link in the site enable directory in Apache directory. So I'm going to do it now. Sorry, didn't copy again. Now I copied correctly. So this aim2 nsite is the command to enable in Apache the new created web. Otherwise, it won't work. And then, so it will create, as I said, is a new symbolic link inside the sites enable for directory. I want to show if you want. So what I mean is this. Okay, this directory will have a symbolic link now. Okay, for my new website. Yes, paolobergomi.com. Here we go, here. So it's a symbolic link that is basically allowing to enable my website. So I'm going to now to inside again that directory. Okay, I'm going now to reload in the meantime this what we did now. We need to reload Apache, otherwise it does just giving the refreshing the Apache basically web server, it will make effective our operation. So we reload Apache, perfect. Everything is fine. We have all inside. Now we switch to the next part. It is installation of a HTTPS. So this is SSL, sorry, an SSL certificate. The SSL certificate actually is already installed, and we can check with this because of course we saw before there were SSL version of my web. So I'm going now to show you the version that we have with this command. We see that we have the version, and if you want to check the certificate, you can also use this command, but I won't do it because for privacy I won't show you my script of the certification. Anyway, it's installed, it's already present. We saw already that we have the SSL version of my website. So I'm going now to install, to configure my new website with SSL. Okay, so the Spanish version. I'm going to do it with this command now. Okay, and this will create an SSL version of a Spanish subdomain. Okay, so everything looks good because this is the command that will create so we apply to Apache the sharebot for as Paolo Bergoglio. Let's do it. Okay, is requesting a certificate. Okay, so as you see, guys, it's been deployed. So it means that if I now go inside my sites available, I will see that I will have a different situation now. you see that we have espaolobergomi.com SSL conf. Okay, so this means that we have the HTTPS version of my website, so it will run on HTTPS. Okay, it won't. When you connect to this website, it will go on HTTPS. Okay, guys, we have a configure Apache for my new Spanish version of my website. So that's all for today. The next video I will show you how to install, always in Linux server, WordPress for this subdomain in Spanish, my Spanish subdomain. So it will be very straightforward, but it will be maybe a little bit longer. But anyway, for today it's all. That's all. Maybe there is still an operation we can do. We can check with a dig command in Linux if has been correctly configured, and it will be searchable online, so through the Linux server. So we can see if it's been correctly configured with the dig command. So let's see if it's present online with this command. If our domains is working, okay. Fingers crossed. Yes, no error, perfect. Okay, good. It's paolobergomi.com. There is also the correct IP. Perfect. So for today it's all. Thank you for watching this video. So as I say, the third video will be the proper installation of WordPress, always through Linux server via SSH. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you like my video, and thank you again, guys, and see you in the next one.